Students, this is a dissection box. I'll show you this cover. See here, like this type of box you will get. It is called dissecting set. Here you can see the picture also. So it is stainless steel instruments. Here I'll show you some of the parts of it. What are the things are there in the dissection box? Why do we use it? To cut some parts of the plant, animals, we use this thing. Okay, so here these are the scissors. By this we can cut the leaf, okay, so that we can take the section of it. And we have this blunt. It is blunt, right? आराम से कट कर. So अलग अलग type different types of scissors we have. This is the needle. Okay, if I have a small cell, then what I can do, I can take it in this glass. Okay, then what I can do, I can cut it into small pieces, or else I can take a small piece of it and I'll take it out. See, like this type of slides we have. Okay, it is covered with this cover, this paper, plastic. What I'll do, I'll take some parts of some small cells, the small tissues, and I'll keep it on it. And I'll cut it into small pieces so that I can see it in the microscope. Then I'll take this cover slip. It is called cover slip. Small, maybe you can see. I'll open and I'll show it to you. You have to take a cell of plant, or else we have also studied about meristematic cells, different cells. What we do, we put some solution into it, saffron solution or blue solutions. Okay, then what I'll do, if I'll keep it like this only, then it won't show you the particular perfect picture. Then what I'll do, I'll put it on this. I'll put it like this so that I can see the clear picture of a cell. I'll show it to you. Wait. So you have to remove this paper. First of all, you have to remove this cover and you have to wash it with the water clearly so that we can see the clear picture in a microscope. Okay? Then what I'll do, I'll take this glass slab. I'll put from this glass cover, this glass, what I'll do, I'll take some cells into this and I'll put it on this and I'll spread it. Okay, then I'll put on this one. So what happens afterwards, I can see the clear picture. When I'll push it like this, that all cell will spread and I can see the clear picture of it. Okay, this is about cover slip. Okay, I'll put it back in this like this. You have to wash it properly because it is too thin. So while handling it, you have to be careful, and after using it properly, you have to place it like this. Here you can see the mirror also. They have given mirror also. Here you can see my mobile on it. Okay, then you have to put it in a cover and cover it properly, wash it properly with you have to keep a small cloth or piece of a cloth in your dissection box so that you can wash this all the parts of it, all the different things properly. This is, and you can keep it. This is magnifying glass. You can see, maybe you can see the big structure here. See, magnifying, right? So this is magnifying glass, and we have here. Can you see this forceps? See here, forceps. What I'll do, I'll take some parts of the plant or some sections of a cells or sections of some root or then stem or leaf. I'll take it like this and I'll put it on the wherever I want. If I want it on this slide, I can put it on this like that. For that purpose, we use this forceps. And we have different needles like this. See, different parts of the dissection box. We can use it to bring that cells or wherever we want. Okay, so then this one we have like a spatula, right? We can, by using this, we can take some pinch of powder पाउडर यूज़ करते हैं ना कि अगर एक बॉटल से अगर थोड़ा सा लेना है तो वी कैन टेक इट विद दिस. So for different purpose we can use. See, you can see here arrow, you know, you can see here arrow structure also. For multi-purpose we can use all these parts. And this is also called as knife. Here we have knife. You might have heard about pen knife, right? Pen knife hota hai na. So what I'll do, I have to open this part like this. Okay, then I'll use some blade here to cut it, and I'll push it like this properly, and from here, from the upper part, I'll put that blade and I'll use it. Okay, then after using it you have to wash it properly and you have to keep it in a dissection box pack. Okay, here you can see the blade here you can see the blade, so that I can put it into this one. So here you have pipette also. Pipette से क्या करते हैं, we take some part of saffron in solution or water, whatever we want. We'll push it like this and we'll take some. When I push it like this, what happens, all water comes in. Okay, sorry, what happens here, pressure creates, then water will, when I leave this upper part here, what happens, all water will come out like this. You can use that, and after using it you have to cover it properly. You have to wash it, clean it, and then wipe it with the cloth that you are using for this dissection box separately, and afterwards keep it in a proper place so that it should not spoil, or else corrosion happens. It will get rust. As it is a stainless steel, it may cause corrosion.